and welcome to IDC Cribs. Come in. Over here you have my giant dorm room, which is occupied by some furniture which was given by the school and some furniture which I've inserted myself. I'll start off by showing you the big kitchen. So this is where I do all my cooking. You have like a storage space if nothing falls of dishes, and you have a microwave which the school provides, and like a fridge. My friend gave me a postcard with a queen saying that every girl needs a queen in her room, and I was like, sure. So sun froze 90% of all my things, zinc, koala, a genie lamp that I got in Jaffa for 60 shekel, donation thing for yoga, microphone. This is what the closet looks like on the inside. Lots of room, very spacious. I stuck some chairs, which the school gave me, which I found that I don't actually need, so I just put them up there, and then there's more room inside. Over here is where I do all my setting. So I've combined the desk and this desk, and I just like threw in a ton of stuff, all my school books, all my fun books, makeup, dresser, plants, board which I use for school. I got this from my boyfriend, and I really like time management, so he gave me time boxing cubes, which I really like, and like you put it on for 15 minutes and then it'll beep and then you have to like turn it, so it's just a life hack. TV which the school gives us. This is the view that I have. All the dorms cost exactly the same if you get an 11th floor room or a 3rd floor room. And this is where I play music. So I'm a violinist and I have my music stand. And this is my violin. And then if I want to jump out and get the uke, I got the uke hanging from the wall, which was a personal installation. This is Dino, my dinosaur. And yeah, this is my meditation zone. The whole bed has stuff thrown under it, so I don't actually have to look at most of these things throughout the day, but I'm trying to be very like cautious of the space here and make the most out of it. Now I'll show you the bathroom, which is exciting. So I hung up all these stickers everywhere. And yeah, now I'm gonna go show you the study room, so let's hop on over. Okay, so each floor in the school has actually study rooms. Some of them have yoga mats inside, which comes very handy because I teach yoga once a week. So everyone can just take a mat. It's a soundproof room, so you don't hear a lot of excess noise. And there's a really big echo, so if there are too many people sitting here, it does get distracting. And now I'll show you guys the porch. Hi guys! So we have two porches on this floor. The first porch which we're gonna see is this one. So you can see all the campus from here. Not many people know this, but when Herzl dreamt of Israel, he dreamt of it here. And now we're gonna check out the laundry room.